try to take a look at the trichomes. And we're gonna get them on the microscope. Oh my goodness. Look at that. See a couple of ambers in there. Let's see this one. Not so much. Oh my. Oh my, these are ready. Now a lot of them are cloudy, but I can see the ambers in there and sort of, I don't know. I almost might let this go one more week. Look at all that. See, that's a little, those are a lot of clears. It's a little blurry, but here's one that has a good amount of amber in it. Let these marinate a little bit longer, or should I go ahead and chop these down? There we go. I'm gonna let them marinate a little longer, or go ahead and chop them down. All right, that's it. Let these marinate a little bit longer, or should I go ahead and chop these down? Alright, I got a mental update. I have decided today is day 57. Day 57 here in the tent with vanilla frosting. And I have decided that I am going to wait until the weekend to pull these. So, another 6 days will be close to 63, close to 9 weeks. They look like they can go a little bit longer after next weekend, then I'll take them 70 days. But as it is now, I'm gonna go ahead and let them go about another week. So if you look right there, they are needing some water. So I'm gonna give them some water. And let them marinate for about another 6 to 7 days. And then these babies are coming down. Yep, that's it. Next time you see me, we'll be chopping them. Alright, thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, look. If you like what you see, hit the like button on that. Hit the like button for that one right there. Yeah. And if you don't like that one, hit the like button for that one. Yeah. And if you want to see more, subscribe. It don't hurt. Peace. See you on the next update.